Now after these things it came about that the cupbearer of the king of Egypt and the bakers sinned against their lord the king of Egypt. And Pharaoh grew indignant at his two officers, at the chief of the cupbearers and at the chief of the bakers. So he committed them to the jail of the house of the chief of the bodyguard, to the prison house, the place where Joseph was a prisoner. Then the chief of the bodyguard assigned Joseph to be with them that he might wait upon them. And they continued in jail for some days. And both of them proceeded to dream a dream, each one his own dream. In the one night, each one his dream with its own interpretation. The cupbearer and the baker, who belonged to the king of Egypt, they were prisoners in the prison house. When Joseph came in to them in the morning and saw them lie here, they were looking dejected. And he began to inquire of the officers of Pharaoh, who were with him in the jail of his master's house, saying, For what reason are your faces gloomy today? At this they said to him, We have dreamed a dream, and there is no interpreter with us. So Joseph said to them, Do not interpretations belong to God? Relate it to me, please. And the chief of the cupbearers went on to relate his dream to Joseph and to say to him, In my dream, why here there was a vine before me, and on the vine there were 3 twigs, and it was apparently sprouting shoots, its blossoms pushed forth its clusters, ripened their grapes, and Pharaoh's cup was in my hand, and I proceeded to take the grapes and squeeze them out into Pharaoh's cup. After that I gave the cup into Pharaoh's hand. Then Joseph said to him, This is its interpretation. The 3 twigs are 3 days. In 3 days from now, Pharaoh will lift up your head, and he will certainly return you to your office, and you will certainly give Pharaoh's cup into his hand according to the former custom when you acted as his cupbearer. Nevertheless, you must keep me in your remembrance as soon as it goes well with you, and you must please perform loving kindness with me and mention me to Pharaoh, and you must get me out of this house. For I was in fact kidnapped from the land of the Hebrews, and here also I have done nothing at all for which they should put me in the prison hole.